Hi everyone, this is Loreli with WTI. And let me show you this gorgeous engagement ring. It is made of sterling silver, which makes it very durable, and the stone is zirconia. Clear and shiny zirconia that doesn't break the bank. Beautiful, shiny, delicate are adjectives I would use to describe this ring. I've had it for over 11 years now, and I still love it as much as the day my husband gave it to me. I love it because of how delicate and elegant it looks. So even though you would say it's simple, it's not plain or boring. It's super shiny, and that sparkle hasn't faded at all over the years. Keeping it shiny is really easy as well, just a quick brush and it looks like new. I think it's great that it's so easy to take care of because I don't need professional cleanings. Just a little care at home keeps it beautiful. So if you're looking for a simple and sparkly engagement ring, you should definitely consider this one. That's why I really love my engagement ring, and that is my point of view.